I don't think you probably like it. But we can sure try. You want some, Goldie? Oh. That's a nice treat, stems and all. We eat those too. That's a sweet baby. Oh, you want more? Do cows chew their cud? I guess so.
And it's the glory, 100 stripes, 100 stories. It's the pledge of allegiance on the 4th of July. It's them handwritten letters from home. It's them sleep.
Who's ready to eat? Who's ready to eat? You're ready to eat? There goes the hay. Goldie, you're ready? You are? There you go. Here you go, Big Bob. There you go, Goldie.
Everybody gets some. Everybody gets a turn. Bob. Oh yeah. Everybody wants their share. Everybody wants their share. Okay, enough for everybody.
Darla, when are you gonna have that baby? When are you gonna have that baby, Darla? Huh? When are you gonna have that baby, pretty girl?
What do you think about this?
I love it.
What about this?
I love it more.
How about this?
I love it.
Do you want another one, Goldie? She don't like the corn husk. Carrot for my girl. Okay. Oh, Bob, what you doing, Bob? Yes, you go.